Say something about me that'll come true. Hair color blonde, eye color blue. Socks don't match, no polished shoes. And come from a land that's covered in grass. Everybody's in love with cash. We got a lot of that money, is rap. We shed a whole lot of blood in the past. Nobody taught me class. Stuff that we did that was awfully bad. Robbing, grabbing, conquered land, and still somehow we forget what we had. All that we had. I would never want to for nothing. I want to be thankful more often, more gentle, something. I put myself so well out when every time I lose. I put myself, don't tell me I told you that I do. I put myself so well out when every time I lose. I fool myself. I want to be a better man, a true friend, a better son, for I want to. A better man, a version 1.1, for I want to. Because I love you. Because I love you. Because I love you. Because I love you. You love me too. Take more before we rendezvous. I'm 5 feet 10 high. People think I'm bigger on TV, that's right. Love kids and love people. Like to treat them all as equals. Like to have a smile and ego. No more judgment over people. My daddy changed me, rode the track, see me, brought me fame. Sometimes I'm ashamed I make some money off the same I got so many fans. I wanna share more